Hello, so here's how to archive Trello cards without having to leave Google Sheets. This will also remove your Google Sheet. So you're going to want to go to your rules in your flow, and down here you're going to want to make sure that it says to remove inactive rows from Google Sheet when a card is deleted, archived in Trello. Then you're just going to want to make sure that you have your status mapped over here and that it is set to 2 ways. So I've got a couple examples that I created before and that have synced over. Perfect. And as you can see, these examples synced over and it says non-archived because they're not archived. So what I'm going to do with test 1 is I'm going to change this to archived in Sheets. I'm going to save. Usually this will take a couple minutes to go through just because it takes 5 minutes for the sync. But I'm going to click sync now to try to push this faster. And you can see that test 1, the card that was here, is now gone. Perfect. And then very soon, since test 1 has been removed from here because you changed it to archived, it has also removed it from here. So all you'll need to do is change the status from non-archived to archived. This will cause your Trello card to be archived. And then since we changed the rule over here, so that whenever a card is archived, it removes the inactive row, it will then remove the inactive row. So you'll just need to make one change, and then it will remove the card and the row.